This is a video from group 3 to show the example of the types in the VBA. Firstly, we open the Excel and we open a blank workbook. Developer macros, and we should create new macros. Firstly, we should declare the types. As the code shows that we define three kinds of types. Firstly is an enumeration types, the gender, which means the gender must be choose from the male or the female. This kind of format permit us to choose specific given value of the variables and can prevent these to choose others variables we do not want it to choose. And this is the type defined by ourselves, and in each types we can use lots of sub variables to define, such as the address consists of street address as a string variables, city as a string variables, state as a string variables, and the zip code as a string variables. It also can equals to an integer or another things. And the third type defined is an example that tells us the type we can recite in the types. You can see the gender is defined as the gender, and it is a numeration format, and the for address is defined as address. This is the types we defined previously, and this example tells us that the type can be recited in the type. And finally, we will give operation to give a value to these types. Firstly, we define these object these variables as types we have defined previously, and now we will give the value to these variables. As we can see, the customer's type consists of 6 sub variables, and 4 of these are string, and we give these 4 variables value in these 4 lines. And 2 specific line is the gender as the for address. The gender is a numeration format, so we are just permitted to choose male or female to these sub variables. And as we can see, the for address is another type we defined in the previous part, and it's also a type. This we should define the for address more specifically. It consists of 4 sub variables. It's 4 string variables, and we give value in this, and which all of these are the string variables. Finally, we combine this information and give the user using the messenger box, and this symbol means the combination of the 2 strings, says we can combine all kinds of strings together. And now we will have a try, and this is the final effect. That's all. Thank you.